Hello guys, if you want to add me on Roblox, my name is Dante, and if you want to add me on Roblox, just subscribe if you're new to this channel, please. Listen here, who wants to add me on Roblox? Type it in the comments, because I'll literally tell you on the comments. But if you type it in the comments and you tell me what's your name, don't forget that I'll send you that message. Actually, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So, I just want to tell you, my name on Roblox is Tot, T-O-T, S-T-E-K, and a 1. And my other account, the first account that I told you is my main account. Now let me tell you my other account, which is currently new, they don't say why it's customized, because I did customize it when I literally got my first laptop. Well, not first, when my uncle gave me my new laptop. So, I just made it. So my other account is T, the same tot stick, but there must be a 5, okay? Tostick 1, Tostick 5, okay? My main account is Tostick 1, my other account is Tostick 5, okay? And just let me know in the comments if you got me added. I just want to tell you, I'll see you in the next video, guys.